Hello, hi there. My name is Sunil Yadav. In today's session, I'm going to talk about what is logical query operator and how we can use it. So we did discuss about yesterday how we can use comparison query operators. Similar, we have like logical query operators and how we can use it. And I will go one by one, like element query operators, evaluation query operators, geo partial query operators. So many things we have in one step by one. So we will go through it. So let's see what is a logical query operator, right? So we have and, not, nor, and or, right? So basically, why we are saying logical means these are the like composite kind of thing. So under and if you have two things, right, like two statement, but both statements should be true, then we can say overall statement is true. So like joins query clauses with the logical and returns all the documents that matches the condition of the both clause. So I will explain with example through the Mongo shell. And like this is not means the invert the effect of query expression, just saying not, and return document that do not match the query expression, just reverse. Nor means join query clause with logical nor returns all the documents that fail to match the both clause. Basically, here is both clause we are talking about. And just reverse of nor is or, like joins query clause logical or returns all the document that match the condition of either clause, any one of it. Okay, so let's see how and work. So the syntax is if you want to execute right, how you can write it. So basically we have the here is the syntax. So you start the curly braces, then use the dollar and, so this is keyword basically. Then colon, start the array, and then you can put the expression, right? So expression 1 you put some condition, and expression 2 you can dot dot expression n. But overall like this value should be true, right? So the exception should be true, this exception should be true. So overall makes this statement true. So and perform a logical and operations on an array of one or more expressions basically. So MongoDB provide an implicit AND operations when specifying a comma separated list of expression. So if we don't put AND, so it's also implicit MongoDB provided. So I will explain how. So if any expression supplied to AND would cause an error when evaluated alone, and the $n containing the expression may cause an error, but an error is not guaranteed. So here suppose I'm just saying here is this is one expression, right? We have, so here this is by default, if we are not providing and, then implicit is providing and for us MongoDB. But if you try to divide 1 by 0, right, for example $x value is 0, then it will throw the exception, right? I will show you one example. So here the same thing, right? So if you have we have dollar and, right, under this is array, under you have one expression, so this should be true, and then so this is also should be true, right, the overall here. If because this is throwing exception because you are dividing by 0, then that means it's going to be throw exception as well. So let's see how it's work. And here I'm saying the implicit is, suppose you have to one statement here, right, price not is equal to 1.99 and exists true. So it's like overall and operation if you are not providing and, right? Okay, so let us see one example here. So here what I'm trying to do here, I'm just saying db dot inventory dot find, right? So here I have one inventory collection. Here you can see the document like item, journal, quantity 25, size, right, 14, width, height, width, right, and centimeter, inch, whatever parameter we have. So if we wanted to find out, right, status A and quantity 45, right, or quantity 45, so similar how you can try to find out all those details. So let's start with and. So suppose here we have like quantity, So here let me put here is the one statement, and so here we need to put and. So if I am just say like status a, right? So we can say we find two document status a, like three documents, sorry. So status a 25 quantity, quantity 50 and quantity. So just we have in this array we have only one expression here. This is the one expression. If we want to match one more expression here, like let's add put quantity. So we need to put quantity q ty. Let's take a 50, right? So now you will see only one element. Why? Because we are matching both. So this is true, this is true, so overall expression should be true, right? And if we put or right here, so or is any one or either should be matched. So if we are putting or, right? So if you see here status is first matched, so like status is matched here, everything is status is matched, so we can say a, we are getting the status, so either any one of is matched, and quantity 50 is matched. But if I say status b, right, so we can say status field is not matched at all, but quantity matched here, so we are able to see the value, right? And if we put nor, let's see what happening, right? So we can see all the status that is not type b or quantity 50, not 2050, all are coming here, right? So just nor means just opposite of or, right? So what else we have here? Nor or we have done it, and let's talk about a not. So not is something again like is saying perform a logical not operation on the specified operator expression and select the document that do not match the operator expression. That includes document that do not contain the value. For example, I wanted to find out the price that is not greater than 1.99, right? So this is not, right? So let's see. So we can say not here, not, okay. Okay, I think one braces I am missing. Okay, first I need to put the if you see the syntax, right? So you need to put field, then not, and then operator expression basically. So what I am not doing here is I need to put quantity here, qty quantity, then use the expression not dollar greater than, right, 50. So here this one is closed and this one is closed. I think we are missing one more, this one, yeah. So now I need to match this one again, right? So we need to find out is greater than 50, not greater than 50, right? So we can say we have those quantity, right? 45 or not greater than 50. So like these are the logical operators basically, and that is very useful while you are trying to fetch data from the collections, and you wanted to try to find out the filter criteria you wanted to apply, right, and depend upon your need to data set. So those are really these operators are very helpful, right? And you generally we use it. Yeah, so if you see the regular expression we can use with not, right? And similar if you go to nor, same thing they have explained. Nor perform logical operator nor an array of one or more query expression and select. So basically the core thing is we need to understand, right, how this syntaxes work. That's the things actually. Either you write any programming language, right, doesn't matter. If you understand basic, like how you can put the query, right? So if you see the query document, so basically what we are trying to say and here, right, so if you write the SQL statement, you say select star from inventory where status EA and quantity is less than 30, right? So similar we are doing the same thing in MongoDB here, right? Nothing else. And similar if you talk about the or, so we are saying status is A or quantity is less than 30, like similar the relational database query. And here if we can say like find status A or this quantity match or this quantity match, right? So similar we are saying status A and quantity less than or item is this one. So any one can be true, then we are good to fetch that data set, right? So that's it from today lecture. Thank you so much for your time. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback. Thank you so much for your time.